Today we have a quick look unboxing review at the VANKYO C750 headset with ANC active noise cancelling. Will it be good? We shall see. So like a lot of companies out there, it ships with nothing in the box. The box is just a holder for the holder, or the box is just a holder for the case. It's hard, so you can't press down on it. It will protect it. Zipper moves quite nicely. Nice presentation. You have that, I believe it's that scratchy sounding stuff. Like a record. For those of you that know what that is. Holy moly, it's like touching velvet mixed with silk, mixed with some kind of mass-produced... No, it actually feels pretty good. Well, these are quite nice. Not too much puff on the muff, if you catch my drift. So they might hurt your head a little bit, but let's just try real quick. No, they are pretty comfortable. I'm not sure about long term. But you have your micro USB. You can turn on and off the active noise canceling, and then you have your power, volume up and down, next track, and the reverse of that. Yeah, so they extend. Okay, they got padding here. Okay, pretty nice. You know which one is which side, unless you want to be dangerous. What else did they give you? So they give you, oh cool, a right angle aux cable, good material on the rope, and you get a micro USB just for the fun of it. Unfold to explore more, and we are lucky kids today. So they give you some other stuff. If you're unhappy, contact them, because normally, if you do, they will either send you a new one, some kind of discount, or just generally make your life better. And that's why I love this particular company. So we're going to throw that in there. And so it goes in the case both ways, which is nice. So what I'm going to do is pair them with my phone and listen to some tunes and report back. So after listening to some tunes, they do sound pretty nice. The active noise canceling works quite well. I haven't stopped caressing this smooth velvet black bag that they include, and I'm really happy that I got this velvet black bag. The headphones came with the bag, but this bag is just like, I'm going to be back in 2 hours and I will be completely satisfied. You know those satisfying things like slime, fidget spinners, all of that stuff. Like this, my day is booked tomorrow. This, I've never felt something so soft. I can't believe the video review is turning into more about the bag than the actual phones, but overall they are good. It's a good value for the 59 or 69 Canadian or USD. Definitely worth checking out if you want an extra pair of headphones in your bag that are active noise canceling and you don't want to break the bank. And this bag is delicious, nutritious, and just a delight. Hope you guys enjoyed that review. I want you all to have a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. This bag